Not the case. Uh, After interrogating the main conspirator, it has come to notice that there is a person who was known to the victim, and he was opposing the one of the girlfriends of the victim's brother. He was opposed to the relationship, and he had accordingly contacted his old friend, who is Ravi Shankar Yadav, and in turn Ravi Shankar had called two of his accomplices whom he knew from his village side also, and who are living presently in Mumbai. So he had brought all the logistics together on the instance of the person whom we are trying to trace.
Sir,
So further investigation is going on to trace that person. So we can say that this whole conspiracy was hatched by one of the friends of the deceased, who was opposed to the affair of his sister with the deceased.
सर इसमें सुपारी दी गई है बोल रहे
जी।
हैं, कितना what was the amount paid to the accused?
5 lakhs की अभी तक हमें डिस्क्लोजर पता चला है. 5 lakhs.
गन्स कहाँ से आए थे कुछ पता है?
उसके लिए अभी हम फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहे हैं. दैट डिटेल्स वी कैन नॉट शेयर नाउ.
Sir, some media are saying that there is a connection with Dubai in this murder case. How true is this?
Thus, because we are yet to establish the whereabouts of the further accused that I have just disclosed, so it's not proper to say whether he's in Dubai or in some other country, but we are making efforts to trace him.
So the love angle के वजह से
Yes.